Alright, so we've got two units here. One we installed upstairs. This old R22 train downstairs. But we're not here for this. We're here for the universal or a germicidal light replacement on a UV lamp. And this old guy wants to follow me into the crawl space, so this ought to be fun. Got something. Alright, so this guy has gone back into the house to get a light bulb for the light over here behind me, so I'm just going to kind of get set up and we'll see what this turns out. He's got a UV light here. Quick explanation, this is a sealed crawl space here. So we put these butterfly dampers on. Now we didn't install this system here. Somebody else did. But we have sealed crawl spaces here, and they require us to come back and put a butterfly damper on those to allow conditioned air into the crawl space. It is a 90% furnace, but we do have a concentric kit mounted back over there to bring in fresh air and handle the exhaust. So everything here is working fine. We're just here to replace this UV bulb, check this lamp. I've got a bulb with me. I want to verify I'm getting voltage from the box up there to it. It's a 24 volt blue tube UV germicidal lamp. So anyway, we'll wait for him. This should be interesting. He wanted to get down here in the crawl space with me and see what's going on. So we'll see how this conversation goes. All right, here he comes. Let's see. So that switch is this bulb, so it's off. Let me go put the bulb in real quick, and then if you want to flip it on before you come in here. Yep. All right. We'll turn it on.
Where the hell is the switch?
Right in front of you, right above your head, right there.
Got it.
There we go. We have light.
I think there's another one in here too.
I don't know if unless it's down at the other end of the crawl space. You got a pretty big crawl space down here. So we'll get this light out and see what.
I thought there was one at this end too. Yeah.
There may be. I don't know. I can't remember what the light situation was. Oh.
Well, maybe not. Maybe just down there.
So yeah, this thing's burned up pretty good. Right in here on the end. It's been in here. You said it's been in here, what, about 4 years or
Yes.
so? Yeah. So yeah, these light bulbs are at least 12 to 18 months.
Yep. Okay.
You know, oh, see how it just kind of came on a little bit
Yes.
when I bumped it? So that lets me know we do have power feeding it. I'm going to temporarily turn off the power to the furnace because I don't want to short anything out, so we know that box is working properly. So just kind of a simple swap out. One thing they didn't do when they put this in is laying up here on top of the evaporator coil, a little sight glass.
Yep.
It's supposed to pop a hole somewhere close by. Put that in there and then
So
kind of
you can see
wring
it?
that insulation out a little bit so you can see it reflecting inside of it. So I'll pop that in there
All right.
when I get this. So it just makes it a little easier because otherwise you have to pull this whole coil door apart and get all that up, and that's a headache in itself.
Yep.
Just to look in there and see. You're not supposed to really look directly at them anyway. But I'll pop that sight glass on there. As a matter of fact, let me do that before I put the bulb in. I don't want to be drilling around with anything. Let's see, here's my unibit. I can pop a hole in here.
I know there's another light down here somewhere.
It may be. I'll look.
I can't see it down. I don't see any.
Yeah, I've got a brighter flashlight. I can look around there a little bit. You want to borrow my flashlight?
Yeah, sure.
There you go. Little Milwaukee flashlight. Got a little button on the side of it. There you go.
All right, thanks.
One more ring. All right. It's nice coming in these sealed crawl spaces, and you've got the damper that has to feed the fresh air, that or conditioned air in here. It feels like being inside the house when you're down here working. It feels much better than that attic does, I can tell you that. All right. So we have the sight glass in. We'll get the bulb in and get it plugged up, and we should be okay.
I'm just looking to see if there's another line off of this. I don't see one.
Yeah, I'm not sure how they ran the electrical. I mean, it's everything under here is black.
Yes, exactly.
It's hard to see what's going on.
You know, there's a line going in, but nothing coming out. You know, it's,
Yeah, unless it's, I mean, it should be all tied into one circuit if there was
Yes.
for one switch. So
there
probably
might be
that
one at the other end. I'll take your flashlight up this way.
yeah, there may be one that split back that way, but. Alrighty, let's get it plugged back up. Turn the power on, and we'll see if we've got a. Here we go. So if you look in this little hole right here, you can kind of see when the lights are off. That porcelain, you'll see
Yes,
a
I
little
see
glow,
that.
but you put this little sight glass on the side, you can look in there and see the blue reflection inside. So it's an easy way for somebody to check it real quick, and is it on or is it not? Then you can take a meter. Well, I didn't even turn that back off. I'll let it reset. But you can take a meter and check this. It's 24 volt output on that, so there's just a couple of plugs in here. You've got voltage, you're good. So yeah, those bulbs are about every year to year and a half.
Okay, so when it comes for an annual
so
review,
Well, basically, I wouldn't worry about it until next summer. Look at it. If it's still doing okay,
yeah,
then maybe you can wait till the heat check. You like to kind of stay on a steady 12-month schedule to kind of do everything. It's easier to keep up with it, but I wouldn't want you to replace the bulb every year if it's working. But they do they do recommend it. They make a 2-year bulb for this, but it costs double for whatever reason, because it lasts another 6 to 8 months. I don't know, but you're all set. You didn't have another light down there?
I couldn't find it.
No, that's fine.
We'll assume there's nothing.
Alright. Well, he's out. So that didn't turn out to be as bad as I thought. But we just put a new bulb in this. It's a blue tube UV, and then I added that sight glass right there. So that's it. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.